Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Meet on a desktop or laptop. This is a complete beginner guide for using Google Meet in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to meet.google.com. If you're already signed in with your Google account, the Google Meet homepage will appear. Now click the New Meeting button and select Start an Instant Meeting. Google Meet will create a new meeting and open the meeting screen. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the microphone and camera controls. You can click the microphone icon to mute or unmute yourself. You can also click the camera icon to turn your camera on or off at any time during the meeting. If you want to share your screen, click the Present Now button. Then choose a Chrome tab, a window, or your entire screen, depending on what you want to present. To send a message during the meeting, click the chat icon. The chat panel will open on the right side of the screen. Type a message in the text box and click Send. Your message will appear in the meeting chat. For additional options, click the three-dot menu. Here you can access more meeting settings and useful features. When you're finished, click the red Leave Call button to end the meeting and exit Google Meet. That's how to use Google Meet on a desktop. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Meet tutorials in 2026.